What do you got there?
This is Taro lives. This is our specialty back home.
So that's from your.
And
where's
this
that
is
from?
very, very expensive. You know how much stocks that you can buy for this? This
How much?
probably worth like, that like about 4 or 5 pieces of this is already worth like almost $10.
That's
so
cool. Where'd you get that from?
from my garden.
Cool.
Yeah.
Let's check it out.
This is very, very expensive, and this is how it looks once I cut this leaves.
So you dry it out?
Pieces. I dried it out outside, and it turned like this. I know it looks like Mary Jane, the illegal thing here in California, but I mean, this once you cook this. This is very good. This called in Tagalog laing, and put a lot of pepper, and put some lechon, shrimp, and when it's fresh, this is how it looks.
What is it called?
Taro leaves.
Taro
It's
leaves.
gabi in
Gabi.
Tagalog. In English, that's taro, and Bicol. This is katna in my province, Iriga City.
Cool.
And it grows here in San Diego. It depends how the way you take care of it.
How often you gotta just water it every day?
Yeah, because this kind of vegetables need a lot of water. Yeah, so I water this every day. I know I cut too much leaves from my garden, which is I put it in the flower big pots so I can take care of it. Look, yes, look at this. I cannot afford buying this from the store, Asian food.
Guess we don't have to, huh?
No, and I don't have to, but it's because it's very expensive.
Okay, so where is it?
This is where my gabi leaves come from.
Ah,
So I water this every single day to keep the soil moist. And plus, I throw some papaya seeds. This is how it looks now. I will transplant this somewhere else, which I have to look some space. There's
take a look.
more here. There's a baby papaya and more here. And my tomatoes, I throw those seeds in the pots.
so this is just.
I use this organic.
So this is just in the front of our house. What, in theory, would have been a flower bed, but instead it's a garden bed.
Yeah, and there's more here. Those are papaya.
Oh, so you
Those
got
little baby.
fresh sprouts coming up.
Like a sprout.
All right.
But this is another very expensive vegetables that I plant here and let it grow and water it.
What's that one called?
As much as I can. Today, this is called yam, which is kamote. Kamote it's a vegetables. You can use this in a sinigang or just boil it or make some dipping like fish sauce, soy sauce, or whatsoever. I don't like that because
Cool.
it's salty.
Let's take a look.
Look, there's a yam.
The
Kamote
sun's out,
tops.
but it's looking pretty green.
Yeah, it's kamote tops.
What are these? Some kind of onion thing?
Yeah, there's the onions, and this is the same one with that over there.
It looks cool too. It's, even though it's not flowers, it still looks cool. It looks, green and festive and everything. So it doesn't matter that it's not a flower bed. You're getting something out of it. It's pretty.
Yeah, this is a papaya that your coworker wanted. I throw all this thing. Look at this. It's really growing. Those look like papaya sprouts, but it will turn like this and then turn big like this. This is medium and this is like large. And I need to replant those. That's the first time. I hope you like it. You can share it and make a comment.